Do you want to be a billionaire so freaking bad? Today's video is all about the Billionaire Blueprint. Master the mindset of the ultra-rich. Stick around because you'll gain valuable insights on managing your money effectively and achieving the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Stay tuned until the end to discover how you can pave your path to billionaire status. And don't forget to show Luxo-Life some love if you like what you see. Let's dive right in. Out of the 8 billion people worldwide, only 2,668 can claim the billionaire title. That's like finding a needle in a haystack. But don't let that discourage you. Sure, it's rare, but it's not impossible. While some are lucky enough to be born into wealthy families, many self-made billionaires have paved their own way to success. Take Oprah Winfrey for instance. She didn't inherit her wealth, she built it from the ground up through hard work, determination, and a relentless pursuit of her goals. That said, let's discuss the role of luck versus hard work and determination in becoming a billionaire. Becoming a billionaire often involves a mix of luck, hard work, and determination. Luck can play a part in opening doors or presenting unique opportunities that lead to immense wealth. For example, winning the lottery or stumbling upon valuable treasures can suddenly catapult someone into the billionaire club. However, relying solely on luck is risky because these opportunities are rare and unpredictable. On the other hand, hard work and determination are essential ingredients for long-term success in the pursuit of billionaire status. Many self-made billionaires attribute their wealth to relentless hard work, perseverance, and a refusal to give up in the face of challenges. Building a business empire or achieving significant success in any field requires dedication, focus, and a willingness to put in the hours necessary to reach one's goals. While luck can provide a boost or open doors, it's often hard work and determination that sustain billionaires over the long haul. Even those who experience sudden windfalls must work hard to maintain and grow their wealth. One thing that you can do is try your hand at professional sports if you're eyeing a path to billionaire status. Many athletes have earned significant fortunes through lucrative contracts, endorsements, and other opportunities in the sports industry. However, while the potential for wealth in professional sports is immense, it comes with its own set of challenges. Firstly, it's important to recognize that only a select few athletes have managed to amass billion-dollar fortunes in their careers. While superstar athletes like Michael Jordan, Tiger Woods, and LeBron James have achieved this feat, they are exceptions rather than the norm. Earning such astronomical sums in sports requires not only exceptional talent, but also a combination of factors such as marketability, longevity, and success on and off the field. Moreover, the path to becoming a billionaire in professional sports is fraught with challenges and uncertainties. Injuries can derail careers and diminish earning potential, while the competitive nature of sports means that only the very best players command top salaries and endorsement deals. Additionally, athletes must contend with the short shelf life of their careers, as physical decline or changes in the industry can quickly impact their earning potential. Despite these challenges, professional sports remain a viable avenue for those aspiring to billionaire status. With the right combination of talent, dedication, and strategic decision-making, athletes can capitalize on their skills and opportunities to achieve extraordinary financial success. However, it's essential to approach a career in sports with realistic expectations and a plan for navigating the obstacles along the way. If you're not sporty, you can turn to finance and investments. This field plays a crucial role in the journey to billionaire status, and one prime example is Warren Buffett. Buffett is often hailed as one of the most successful investors of all time, with a net worth in the billions. His approach to investing, characterized by patience, discipline, and a focus on long-term value, has earned him legendary status in the financial world. However, it's important to approach finance and investments with caution. While success stories like Buffett's are inspiring, they're also the exception rather than the rule. Investing can be complex and risky, and not all investment opportunities are created equal. Many aspiring billionaires have fallen victim to scams or risky ventures, losing substantial sums of money in the process. Therefore, seeking investment advice requires careful consideration. While there are many reputable financial advisors and resources available, there are also plenty of charlatans looking to take advantage of unsuspecting investors. It's essential to do thorough research, ask questions, and seek advice from trusted sources before making any investment decisions. If you're into video games, you might be onto something big when it comes to making money. The video game industry is massive, with a global market value exceeding $220 billion and still growing. This means there's a lot of potential for wealth creation within this industry, whether you're a gamer, a developer, or an investor. One reason for the video game industry's profitability is its broad appeal. Games are no longer just for kids. People of all ages and backgrounds enjoy playing them. From casual mobile games to complex multiplayer experiences, there's something for everyone in the world of gaming. This wide audience base translates to significant revenue opportunities for those involved in creating and distributing games. Moreover, advancements in technology have fueled the growth of the video game industry. From high-definition graphics to immersive virtual reality experiences, gaming technology continues to evolve, offering new and exciting opportunities for innovation and monetization. This constant innovation drives consumer interest and keeps the industry vibrant and profitable. If you're someone who likes stars and other heavenly bodies, you might find the idea of asteroid mining fascinating. This emerging field involves extracting valuable resources from asteroids, those rocky bodies floating around in space. While it may sound like something out of science fiction, asteroid mining is becoming a serious possibility thanks to advances in technology and our growing understanding of space. Asteroid mining has the potential to revolutionize various industries here on Earth. These space rocks contain valuable materials like precious metals, rare minerals, and even water. By harvesting these resources, we could address shortages of essential materials, reduce our reliance on Earth's finite resources, and open up new opportunities for exploration and innovation. However, asteroid mining is not without its challenges. The logistics of space travel and the complexities of extracting resources from asteroids present significant hurdles. Additionally, there are ethical and environmental considerations to address, such as ensuring responsible and sustainable mining practices and minimizing the impact on celestial bodies and space ecosystems. Metaverse is another buzzword in the tech world lately. It refers to a virtual universe where people can interact, play, work, and even make money. Imagine a digital realm where you can explore endless possibilities, from attending virtual concerts to running your own virtual business. There's a high probability that the metaverse will change the way we work, play, and live online. One of the key drivers behind the potential wealth generation in the metaverse is its ability to create new economic opportunities. The metaverse provides a marketplace where individuals may purchase, sell, and exchange virtual products and services, much like the real world. Unique and valuable assets within the metaverse are in high demand, from digital artwork to virtual real estate. This presents an opportunity for entrepreneurs and creators to capitalize on this emerging market and generate significant wealth. Additionally, businesses can monetize their goods and services and interact with customers in novel ways thanks to the metaverse. Businesses are able to hold virtual events, develop immersive brand experiences, and even offer virtual product sales. By embracing the metaverse, businesses can reach new audiences, drive sales, and stay ahead of the competition in an increasingly digital world. Emojis are more than just cute little symbols we use in our texts and social media posts. They can actually be the foundation for a successful business, as demonstrated by Bernard and Marie Spain. These siblings saw the potential in the yellow smiley face and turned it into a thriving enterprise. Their story serves as a case study in how creativity and vision can lead to business success. The Spain brothers' journey began when they copyrighted the yellow smiley face and started producing novelty items featuring the iconic symbol. From t-shirts to mugs to stickers, they capitalized on the widespread appeal of the smiley face and created a market for their products. Their business quickly gained traction, and before long, the smiley face became a cultural phenomenon. What sets the Spain brothers apart is their ability to recognize an opportunity and seize it. They saw the potential in a simple symbol and transformed it into a lucrative business venture. Their success serves as inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs, highlighting the importance of creativity, innovation, and seizing opportunities when they arise. To become a billionaire, one should find a worldwide problem and fix it. This might sound like a tall order, but it's actually a tried and true pathway to immense wealth. Think about it. Some of the wealthiest individuals in the world have built their fortunes by addressing global challenges and providing solutions that improve people's lives on a massive scale. Identifying a worldwide problem requires keen observation and an understanding of global trends and issues. It could be anything from poverty and hunger to climate change and healthcare disparities. Once you've pinpointed a problem that resonates with you, the next step is to come up with innovative solutions that address the root causes and create lasting impact. This might involve developing new technologies, implementing sustainable business practices, or advocating for policy changes. Solving a worldwide problem not only has the potential to generate massive wealth, but also to make a meaningful difference in the world. By addressing pressing issues and improving the lives of millions, you can create a legacy that extends far beyond your bank account. Moreover, successful solutions to global problems often have far-reaching implications, opening up opportunities for expansion into new markets and industries. To end, these are some strategies for staying motivated, creating a plan, and persisting through challenges on the journey to becoming a billionaire. First off, it's essential to set clear goals and create a roadmap for achieving them. This means breaking down your big dream of becoming a billionaire into smaller, manageable steps that you can work on every day. Having a plan in place gives you direction and helps you stay focused on what you need to do to reach your ultimate goal. Another key strategy is to stay motivated and inspired along the way. Building a billion-dollar empire is no easy feat, and there will undoubtedly be times when you feel discouraged or overwhelmed. That's why it's crucial to find sources of inspiration that keep you energized and motivated, whether it's reading success stories, surrounding yourself with positive people, or visualizing your goals and dreams every day. Persistence is also essential when it comes to achieving billionaire status. You're bound to encounter obstacles and setbacks on your journey, but it's how you respond to these challenges that will ultimately determine your success. Instead of giving up at the first sign of difficulty, use setbacks as learning opportunities and keep pushing forward with determination and resilience. Remember, every successful billionaire has faced their fair share of setbacks, but it's their ability to persevere in the face of adversity that sets them apart. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and spread the word by sharing this video with others. If you're new to Luxo-Life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content about achieving your wildest dreams. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, Luxo lovers. See you in the next video.